Yeah, you already know. Nigga out here trying to catch these motherfucking fish. Sweating all in my motherfucking eyes and shit. Don't worry about what the fuck I'm doing, man. It's called a video log, nigga. Put me on camera. Doing what? You ain't catching no damn fish? I'm going deep, nigga. Going deep, nigga. Going deep, nigga. They ain't caught no fish yet. I'm a rookie. I'm a rookie. I done caught a fish. So, you know. They call beginner's luck. The fish know beginner ass, nigga. Hey, whatever, nigga. I caught me a motherfucking fish, though. I can hardly open my eyes, nigga. Shit. Fuck. That's how early it was, I'm talking about the sweat pouring in my eyes. Tell the camera how fresh you try to come out here. I always look good wherever I go, man. Nigga, that's fishing, Dono. Well, shit. No bitches out here. Damn sure ain't no bitches out here. Got somebody bump into a couple of sinkholes or something. Yeah, right. Fuck. Hey, did I fish with you guys? You guys mind if we fish with you? That should be like a porno.